Hello, Leo. So if you are Leo, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What do we need to know right now for Leo? What do we need to know for Leo right now? We have the Lover's card. So you could be thinking about or focusing on relationship, love, or someone that you care about. Something that you care about, or there could be a decision here on something that you are drawn to or attracted to with the Lover's card. Indolence, the Eight of Cups. This could mean that you are, so the Eight of Cups is like walking away from something that you have put a lot of time into. So you could be faced with a challenge right now where you're thinking, is this working out? Is this not working out? This could be relationship wise. It can also be the choice that you're going to make, and with something that is something that you're drawn to. This can also mean you could be thinking of giving up something that you love because for whatever reason it's not worth the energy. You could be thinking about this, or some of you guys need to move away from something, but it's hard to do that right now. The Ace of Discs. So I feel like you guys have a lot on your minds right now. I feel like it could be relationship stuff. I feel like it could be work stuff, and I feel like it could be feelings of fulfillment here. I feel like you guys are feeling confident right now. But there are things on your mind about others or outside things. So I feel like you guys are feeling confident about yourselves, but there's things on your mind about other people around you, or, could be people that you care about, could be children, could be, the person that you're in love with. It could be just someone that means a lot to you. It could be a relative, friends, jobs, goals. And you could be thinking about money here with the Ace of Discs. You could be thinking about materialistic things. And if there's thoughts about how can you attain what you guys want. You want to enjoy your life, and how are you going to make this happen. So there's something here about, I feel, financial with this card. This can also mean wellness. The pentacles, the discs are pentacles. Then we have the Magus here. So I feel like you guys were creating in the recent past what you guys wanted to do, your desires of working on something, that you guys made something happen, and you guys were working on something and everything's going good. I feel with the Princess of Discs, you're still busy and working and doing all these things, so you could be thinking about the future here. So there's something here with the future. The Princess is the first card in the court cards of the discs, and the Ace of Discs is the first card of the disc suit in the tarot, the element of earth. So it's like the beginning of something. So it's like you're thinking about something different, something change maybe, or something different with work or material things that you want in your life that would bring joy, and maybe also for responsibilities, also things that we are responsible for, bills and things like that. So you could be thinking about how to bring in money, or how you're going to balance things with this, or a new way of bringing it, or how you're going to, what you want to do, what you don't want to do in the future when it comes to that. So I feel like that's on the mind. There's happiness, there's money here, goals, and then you have the Nine of Cups. So I feel like this is the near future. So if it looks like good things are coming, happy experiences, something good is coming here for you guys. I feel like you guys are going to create good experiences, or the opportunities are going to come around you guys for that. And then we have the Five of Wands. The Five of Wands, strife. This is like competition. So you could feel like someone's could be competing with you. You could feel like you may have to do something more to stand out in a certain situation. So if you guys are, let's say there's a job, a new job opportunity here, you could be figuring out, how can I represent myself or express myself in a way that's going to make me stand out more than others. So, and this can also mean some chaos around you, and not to get pulled into that. So leave room also for your interpretation, because everyone's situation is different here, what this card can mean to you. So this can mean competition, and this is the time to stand in your power. So in whichever way this is going on in your life right now, this is your time to stand in your power. So if it's about work, you can ask yourself, like, what is my purpose? What makes me, what is my best abilities? What makes me stand out than other people? And focus on that. If it's like chaos going around you, maybe it's like standing in your power and not allowing people's energy to throw you off, and so that you're not putting your energy into something that is destructive, and you can use your energy more for something that's productive, whatever you guys want to bring in with these cards. The Moon card. So I feel like whatever's going on around you guys is making you think about yourselves, like self-reflection. And this is, I feel like, in a way that you guys are not used to doing. So for some of you guys, they could be self-reflecting in a way that's different. Like, I feel like you guys could be actually opening more up to something. If you're not someone who is so spiritual, I feel like you guys are opening up to that. If you are spiritual, I feel like you guys are doing it on another level, self-reflecting and learning something new about yourselves. You could be learning also about others, kind of like how human behavior and things like that. I feel with this, whatever's going on around you guys, you're like opening up and seeing things and making you think about yourself and other people. We have the Two of Swords here. This card is called Peace. So I feel like you guys could be feeling like this isn't the time where you want to bump heads with somebody right now. It's like you guys want more peace. You guys want happiness. You guys want some things to go well here. And I feel like, so even like, let's say if it's something to prove a point, maybe before you would have gone out of your way, put energy into that to make someone see your side of something. And you could be finding yourself right now saying, I don't have the energy for this right now. Like, I don't want to deal with that. Yeah, okay, like, just let them think whatever they want, and that's it. So you could be feeling like that right now, or saving your, choosing your battles. Like, if something's very important, then you make your point. But if something doesn't really matter, you could be like letting it go more than usual. You could find, you may be feeling that, you may be seeing that. Take what resonates, and leave what doesn't. The Ace of Swords. This is the Ace of Swords. So the swords are the mind, and the Ace of Swords is like a new thought, a decision, a new idea. So this is a near future card. There could be something new. Maybe you'll get your answer here if you're making a decision. Maybe this is this new thing coming in, this happiness card. Maybe it's the new idea, new work thing, new goal thing coming in. So this is like a new decision, a new way of thinking about something, something new, and it has to do with the mind. And it can also mean a solution or an idea to save yourself, to something that's going to help yourself here. Then you have the Ace of Cups and the Three of Wands. This is happiness. This is opportunity for happiness. This is opportunity for thoughts, ideas, and growth. And this is opportunities for happiness and something coming in. And then you have the Three of Wands. This card's called Virtue. This is about determination and what you create. You visualize it, you create it, you put action into it, and then things happening. So I feel like you guys are going to be doing more. I feel like you guys are going to be creating more, doing more. I feel like you guys have been doing it with the Magician card in the recent past. You're thinking about something else here with the Princess of Discs. and the ace. So you have 3 aces here, and so you have the pentacles, you have the swords, and you have the cups. And so this is work, thought, and something that makes you feel fulfilled, happiness, joy. So you're going to be focusing on something feel new or different, and that's going to be fulfilling, and you're going to take action to make it happen. So you guys could be already doing this, could be already seeing this. So I wish you guys well. It feels like good things are coming, new ideas and stuff like that. So take care.